Hi, welcome to Brainybus. This is Premvada and we are going through the HTML5 tutorials. So today let's see the web storage, how you can store various things on your webs, like various data that you want to store. So there are two types of storage. Basically it's like session storage and the local storage. So web storage property of HTML5 works just like cookies, but the difference is that web storage can be used to store the large amount of data without affecting the performance of the website. Another thing, data will be stored in name value pair, and a web page can access data stored by itself only. So one is the session storage. This storage is for particular session only, supposingly a page hit you want. So it's okay, so let me just copy paste this thing. So basically you want to see like how many number of times your page is hit. So I'll just save it and I refresh it. See, okay. So let's just check it. So now I can see that total hits of page is 1. So if you refresh it, you can see that 2, 3. So like this you can count the number of hits. Like this is the time I'm refreshing it. But your web storage and the session storage is basically for session only. Like if I close this browser and I just open it again, then I can just see it starting from 1. So this is basically your session storage. The data that you will be storing will be only for one session. It won't be available for multiple sessions to you. So this was your session storage. Another thing, I can just show you a demo for the click of a button. So if I click on this button, so after the session storage, let's look for local storage. Local storage is basically used when the data will be stored locally. It won't be dependent on sessions. So let's take the example of local hits, the page hits again. So let's save it. So now I can see the total hits of page is 1. So it's like I can refresh it and the total hits of the page can be increased. So now supposingly the total hits of the page is 30. If I close it and if I again restart it, so the total hit of the page is 31. This is not dependent on session. So if you close the browser, then also the data will be stored. So you will not lose your data. So this is basically for the local storage. For hits like this, you can also go for the button click event, like total click of the buttons. And if supposingly I want to clear the data, I want to delete the storage values, so you can just simply write the local storage dot clear. So I'll do it for this local storage. So over here, when the function is called, what it will do, it will first clear the local storage. After that only it will start. So let's save it, refresh it. So you can say that the total hits of the page is NaN over here.